So here is how to transfer ownership of Discord server. So I have my first account in Discord app logged in here, which owns this server right here. And I have my second account open in the browser, and I also joined the same server, so I have to be a member of the server to transfer ownership. Now I go back to my main account who owns the server. Now right click on the server icon and then click on server settings. Now click on members, and now you should see all the members in here. You can also toggle this to see it on a separate channel without going to the server settings. You can click on whoever member you want to give the ownership of the server to, for example this one. And now I can click on the three dots for more options here, and now transfer ownership. And now I need to check this box, and I acknowledge that by transferring ownership. You can check it and then click on transfer ownership. And now you will need to enter a verification code or 2FA code from your mobile app if you have it enabled. So I'm just gonna log in my email real quick and copy the code. And the code should look like this. It will say confirm the ownership transfer of your server, and you'll see something like this. You'll need to copy the code and then go back to the main Discord who owns the server and paste the code in here and click on transfer ownership. Then just wait a little bit. Now it should take a while, and the transfer should be completed, and you will see the icon of the server owner next to the second account, which is this one right here. And now this owns the server and can also kick the owner like this or ban it. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.